Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Auth0 users to AWS Cognito, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the transfer of Auth0 users to AWS Cognito, start by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the user management section found in the Auth0 dashboard. Export your users by selecting the Export Users option. Choose the format that suits your needs, typically JSON or CSV. Download the exported user file to your local machine. Next, log into your AWS Management Console. Access the Amazon Cognito service from the Services menu. Create a new user pool by selecting the Create a User Pool option. Proceed through the configuration screens to set up user attributes, policies, and other settings according to your requirements. Once your user pool is created, navigate to the Users and Groups section. Look for an option to import users into your newly created user pool. Here, you'll need to prepare your user data for import into Cognito. If you exported users in JSON format, ensure that the format aligns with Cognito's expected structure. For CSV format, map your columns to match the attributes defined in your Cognito user pool. Once the user data is properly formatted, proceed to upload the file. Cognito will begin processing the import, which may take some time depending on the number of users. Upon completion, verify that users have been successfully imported by checking the user list in the Cognito dashboard. To ensure a smooth transition, consider notifying your users about the migration. Communicate any changes they may need to be aware of regarding login procedures. Optionally, you can implement a password reset process for users post-migration for additional security. With all these steps completed, your users should now be fully transferred from Auth0 to AWS Cognito. Finally, conduct a thorough testing phase to validate that authentication works as expected for your migrated users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.